Dear God, thank you for the opportunity to meet together. Please help us to come together to make this institution reflect your kingdom. Breathe life into our ideas and decisions. Help us build a team that has love and respect at its heart. Give us the strength to continue working for your kingdom in this time of pandemic. Lord, come give us the inspiration to be the best we can be. May we be a shining example of your goodness and truth within, wherever we are. Inspire our thoughts, discussions, and ideas, and continue to remind us that all that we do here today, all that we accomplish, is for the pursuit of truth for the greater glory of you. We ask these things in your name. Amen.
Good day to you, friends, schoolmates, guests, and all the viewers. I'm glad to see all of you today. And now, we're going to start the program. But before we begin, I'd like to leave few important reminders to keep in mind. First, keep your microphones mute as you go along the program. Second, we have your best fun-loving behavior. Last, join us and keep your eyes and ears open to this wonderful experience.
Good morning to all our participants. Welcome to our first virtual culminating activity for the prospective medical secretaries.
I am Cristel Gomez, a third-year BSO student from Besling College of the Philippines.
I'm Joymi Marticio, a third-year BSOA student from Besling College of the Philippines.
I'm Apple Galvez, a third-year BSOA student from Besling College of the Philippines.
I'm Giselle Oliva, a third-year BSOA student from Besling College of the Philippines.
I'm Shaira Awao, a third-year BSOA student from Besling College of the Philippines.
I'm James Bahay Martizo, a third-year BSOA student at Besling College of the Philippines.
And we're here for today's virtual culminating activity for the prospective medical secretaries. We are glad to be part of this wonderful and fun-filled event. As per the main topic of this culminating activity, in which we will going to tackle about personal qualifications of a medical secretary. Medical secretaries, sometimes called as medical administrative assistants, are often the right hand of the physician who needs to focus on practicing medicine. Typically, she is the one responsible for all clerical tasks, which can include patient scheduling, medical record management, transcribing medical dictation, and arranging for patients to have surgery or to be admitted to a hospital, and many more. But how fit are you really to be a medical secretary? It is given that for every job or position, there are always these so-called equivalent qualifications. And now, here are the participants to show to you some of the personal qualifications as a medical secretary that should be possessed.
Oh, good morning, ma'am. How may I help you?
I would like to have a checkup today.
You mean with Dr. Gomez, ma'am?
Yes, as in now. I want to have my checkups with Dr. Gomez.
Sorry, ma'am, but as per the policy of this hospital, I should schedule you first before seeing Dr. Gomez because Dr. Gomez has her patients right now and probably she couldn't make it to see you at this moment. She's too busy with other clients.
So what do you mean? Am I not a client?
No, ma'am. I'm just only following the policies of this hospital. If you want to have your checkups, ma'am, with Dr. Gomez, let me schedule you first.
You don't know what's happening to me right now. I need to see a doctor. I'm begging you.
Yes, ma'am. You're right. I don't know what exactly how you feel right now, and honestly, I understand that. But what I can do is to help you in another way. If you really want to see a doctor, Dr. Pascual is available right now. She was done with all their patients today. Let me excuse myself for a second, ma'am, to ask Dr. Pascual if she have another
Cristel, since Nurse Shaira can't make it tomorrow, you'll be the one to assist me in our medical mission for vaccination tomorrow in Barangay Ligaya. Is that right?
Yes, Dr. Martizo, it's Barangay Ligaya.
Alright. Then prepare yourself tomorrow. You know what you're gonna do. Is that right?
Yes, Dr. Martizo, to give injections, administer treatments, or dispense medicine, just like what I had done before.
Very good. That's what I wanted to hear. You know my exact instructions already. So I'm looking forward for it tomorrow. I'm depending on you.
Miss Awao, have you already given the medical records to Dr. Pascual on his said day and time?
Yes, Dr. Gomez.
What about the scheduling of monthly checkups for Miss Gracie?
Yes, Dr. Gomez. I already scheduled it.
Oh, good job, Miss Awao. You're really on time.
Hi, Miss Galvez. I'm amazed at your performance as a medical secretary. I hear that you're always very careful in your work so that nothing's forgotten.
Yes, Nurse Oliva, that's true. And honestly, I am very meticulous with all my work so that nothing is wasted.
That's great!
Dr. Martizo, can I ask for any comments about my performance here as an intermedical secretary?
Oh, Miss Morticia, have a seat. Well, Miss Morticia, as one of the medical secretaries of this hospital, I'm really honest with all of the interns here. Even our former interns before. Right? I used to give them my comments so that they will know what are the things they're lacking for as a prospective medical secretary. For them as well to enhance those right away. And regarding your performance, Miss Morticia, you're doing a great job. Honestly, not great, but good job. But sometimes you're too slow on one specific task. Just like yesterday, I was only giving you one very simple task, which is to schedule Miss Santos on Monday morning. But you scheduled her on Tuesday morning. I don't know what's happening to you that day, but you look distracted. Honestly, it was not okay and I won't tolerate it again, but just don't do it next time. Be responsible enough, okay?
Oh, thank you so much, Dr. Martizo. And sorry again about yesterday's.
Well, at least you learn from your mistakes.
However, other qualifications a medical secretary should have include being friendly, patient, understanding, helpful, efficient, cheerful, considerate, and noticeably happy personality. Now, the question is, do you want to be a medical secretary?
If yes, then watch this.
Singing songs underneath the sun. Let's get to it, set for beautiful getting. When I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, and wave your flag, and wave your flag.
What are you doing, Apple?
Transcribing.
Transcribing what?
I'm practicing transcribing the medical dictation that I'm watching right now on YouTube. And after this, I'm going to practice stenography.
Wow, that's great.
I know, right? BSOA lang yun eh.
Hashtag tatako. Hashtag
Ganito kami sa BSOA.